Hey guys, it is February the 10th, 2026, and I've taken some rose cuttings that I'm going to use to make some propagation roses to add to my rose garden. I've gone ahead and cut them. I just stuck them in a cup of water for just a little bit just to keep the tips moist. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to remove, the reason for the glove, is some of the thorns towards the base. If I can get one of these to come out pretty easy without them all coming out on the ground. As you can see, they're covered in thorns down low. To make it easier for me and to keep those thorns from rotting, I've got these gloves. I'll just try to snap these thorns right off the base here. Just like that. Some people take all the thorns all the way to the top off, make it easier to work with them. I just take the bottom ones off that are going to be inside the soil. Once I get the thorns broke off, I take just a little knife and I just sort of scratch the surface just a little bit, just to give more contact with some of the inner parts of the rose stalk. Give it a little better chance of rooting, give it some more area for roots to form. You don't want to shave down too deep, you don't want to damage it. Just to scratch it a little bit. I did get a little thorn in me. Then I'm using some rooting hormone just to, you don't need a lot, just a little bit, just a dusting on it, just like that. And from there, you just stick it in your pot. After you get them all in there, you give them a good watering, and you should propagate a rose from that. And there you have the cuttings all potted up. You'll want to keep these out of direct sunlight and direct heat. Keep them watered. And they should start to drop some of these leaves and start new growth pretty soon. You can see the new growth that is starting on this cutting that I started a little earlier. Little buds coming out. And that's how I start roses from cuttings. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.